The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's newest fighter jet, a marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of the country's military prowess. It's a stealth fighter, designed to be invisible to radar, making it a serious threat in the sky. This advanced technology allows it to evade detection, giving it a significant edge over its adversaries. The Su-57 can fly high and fast, carrying a lot of weapons. It boasts an impressive arsenal, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and precision-guided bombs, making it a versatile and formidable opponent. Russia claims the Su-57 is a game-changer, supposedly better than anything in the West. Comparisons are often made with the American F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, but the Su-57's unique capabilities set it apart. Yet the Su-57 has been slow to develop and is only now seeing limited action in Ukraine. The development process has been plagued by delays and technical challenges, raising questions about its readiness and reliability. The war in Ukraine serves as a testing ground for the Su-57, where Russia uses the conflict to see what its new jet can do. This real-world combat experience is crucial for assessing the jet's performance and making necessary improvements. This is a dangerous game. The skies over Ukraine are crowded with enemy aircraft and the stakes are high. The Su-57 must navigate a complex and hostile environment, facing off against advanced air defenses and rival fighter jets. If the Su-57 proves itself in combat, it will be a major victory for Russia. Success in Ukraine could bolster Russia's military reputation and lead to increased interest from potential buyers around the world. But if it fails, the consequences could be severe. A failure would not only be a blow to Russia's military ambitions but could also impact its defense industry and international standing. The future of air warfare hangs in the balance. The performance of the Su-57 in Ukraine will likely influence the development of future fighter jets and shape the strategies of air forces around the globe. Ukraine doesn't have many fighter jets. Their air force is limited in both numbers and capabilities. They've had to find other ways to fight back against Russia's air force, which is much larger and more advanced. One of their most effective weapons, drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles have become a game changer. Drones are cheap and effective, hard to see, and even harder to hit. They can be deployed quickly and in large numbers. Ukraine is using drones for all sorts of missions, from reconnaissance to find enemy positions, gathering crucial intelligence that helps in planning their operations, to attacking Russian tanks and artillery. These drones can carry small but powerful explosives, capable of causing significant damage. Ukraine is even using drones to attack targets inside Russia, which has really angered the Russians. These cross-border strikes have strategic and psychological impacts, but it's also shown how effective drones can be in modern warfare. They offer a new dimension of flexibility and surprise. The rise of drones has changed the battlefield, leveling the playing field and allowing smaller countries to take on much larger enemies. This technological shift is redefining military strategies worldwide. This is a major challenge for countries like Russia, who are used to having air superiority. The traditional dominance of fighter jets is being questioned as drones prove their worth in combat scenarios. As technology advances, drones are becoming more sophisticated, with better range, payload capacity, and autonomy. This evolution is likely to continue, making drones an even more integral part of modern warfare. Training and adapting to this new form of warfare is crucial. Ukrainian soldiers are becoming adept at using these tools, turning their limitations into strengths. The future of warfare is here, and drones are at the forefront, changing the rules of engagement and offering new possibilities for defense and offense. The Su-57 and Ukrainian drones represent two very different approaches to warfare. On one hand, we have the Su-57, a marvel of modern engineering, a symbol of technological prowess and military might. On the other hand, we have the Ukrainian drones, which are simple, cost-effective, and numerous. The Su-57 is a high-tech, expensive weapon system designed to win in a traditional air battle. It boasts advanced stealth capabilities, supersonic speeds, and cutting-edge avionics, making it a formidable force in the skies. Drones, on the other hand, are low-cost and expendable, designed to overwhelm the enemy with numbers. They can be deployed in swarms, creating a complex and dynamic threat that is difficult to counter with conventional tactics. This clash of strategies is playing out in the skies over Ukraine. The traditional might of the Su-57 is being tested against the innovative and unconventional tactics of drone warfare. So far, it's not clear which side has the advantage. The Su-57's advanced technology gives it a significant edge, but the sheer number of drones can create overwhelming pressure. The Su-57 is a formidable opponent, but it's also vulnerable to large numbers of drones. These drones can exploit weaknesses in the Su-57's defenses, potentially swarming and neutralizing it. The outcome of this conflict could have major implications for the future of warfare. It could redefine military strategies and influence the development of future weapon systems. It could determine whether expensive, high-tech weapons like the Su-57 are still relevant in the age of drones. As the battle continues, the world watches closely, eager to see which strategy will prevail and shape the future of aerial combat. The Su-57 is designed to be a silent hunter. Its stealth technology makes it difficult for enemy radar to detect, giving it a significant advantage in air-to-air combat. It can get close to its enemies before they even know it's there, allowing the Su-57 to choose the time and place of the engagement. The Su-57 is also equipped with a variety of advanced weapons. It can carry long-range air-to-air missiles, capable of hitting targets from over 100 miles away. The Su-57 is a very capable aircraft and has the potential to be a game-changer in air warfare. However, it faces a significant challenge in the form of Ukrainian drones. Ukrainian drones are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They're being equipped with better sensors and more powerful weapons. Some drones are even being equipped with artificial intelligence. This allows them to operate autonomously, without the need for human intervention. The drones are also becoming more networked. They can share information with each other and with ground controllers. This allows them to coordinate attacks and overwhelm enemy defenses. The evolving drone threat is a major challenge for countries like Russia. They're struggling to keep up with the rapid pace of development. The drones are becoming more difficult to detect and defeat. This is forcing militaries around the world to rethink their air defense strategies. Imagine this. And Su-57 is on patrol over Ukraine. It's flying high, searching for enemy aircraft. Suddenly the pilot gets an alert. A swarm of drones has been detected approaching his position. The pilot tries to evade the drones, but they're coming from all directions. He can't shake them. The pilot launches a missile. It destroys one of the drones, but the others keep coming. The pilot is in trouble. He's outnumbered and outmaneuvered. He knows that if he doesn't do something quickly, he's going to be shot down. This scenario highlights the potential threat that drones pose to even the most advanced fighter jets. The war in Ukraine is a glimpse into the future of air warfare. It's a conflict where stealth technology and drones are playing a major role. This conflict is forcing militaries around the world to adapt. They're developing new tactics and technologies to counter these threats. The future of air warfare is likely to be a complex and challenging environment. It will be a battle between stealth and swarm, between high-tech and low-cost. The militaries that are able to adapt the quickest will be the ones that prevail. The lessons learned in Ukraine will shape the future of air warfare for decades to come. The lessons learned in Ukraine will shape the future of air warfare for decades to come. The lessons learned in Ukraine will shape the future of air warfare for decades to come.